Good morning students, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we have learnt about the meaning, features, importance and fuels principles of management. In today's lesson, we shall be discussing a case study from these topics, and before discussing these topics, let I tell you one thing, that whenever we are attempting a question which is based on a case, always go through the question first, what is being asked in the case. So let us go with the case study. And before going to the case study, we shall be reading the question first, and the question is saying, identify the concept involved in the above case and list out the feature of the same concept by quoting lines. So let us see. Sudhakar Private Limited is a company which is dealing in paints for so long. The managing director of the company says that they have faced challenges every decade, but the implementation of strong propositions have helped them to sail through. They use these propositions as an insight but not a solution. The managers of the company use their authority according to the demand of the situation. It gives due importance to the satisfaction of the workers by providing them good working conditions and suitable place for them and the material they use. In this way, the company is leading and achieving its goal. So, in the case study based question, there are always some clues and hints given in the question to attempt the case. So these clues in this case are, Sudhakar Private Limited is a company which is dealing in paints for so long, it is merely the introduction of this company. The managing director of the company says that they have faced challenges every decade, but the implementation of strong propositions have helped them to sail through. In this line, we are getting that the company has faced so many challenges for so many years. But the strong propositions, here the propositions are the guidelines which the company is following to face all those challenges. Thereafter, they use these propositions as an insight but not a solution. Next line is giving us the hint about the feature of principles of management, and that states that these are general in nature, these are general guidelines but not a solution. The next is, the manager of the company used their authority according to the demand of the situation, which says that the principles of management are flexible. These are to be molded according to the need, and these are to be applied according to the need of the situation. The next, it gives due importance to the satisfaction of worker. Means here the line is quoting the worker. They are the human being. They are the main source or the main asset of the company which is providing the result. So here, by providing them good working condition and suitable place for them and the material they use. Here the hint is given that the principles are mainly behavioral, because they are giving them such a condition and they are giving them such an environment so as their employees' behavior is influenced and they are able to achieve the goals. So the answer is like that. The concept which is involved is principles of management. The feature, the very first one is general guideline. The next is these are flexible, and the last one is these are mainly behavioral. The lines we have already quoted while discussing the clues. So the topic is over here. Thank you.